What is the probability of getting a sum of 11 upon rolling two fair six-sided dice? Okay, so we have a shortcut for this, but let's solve this using by listing. Okay, so what is the probability of getting a sum? A sum of 11 upon rolling two fair six-sided dice. So let's say we have two dice. We have the outcome for the first die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the second die, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So therefore, we have a total of how many outcomes? So we have a total of 36. So 6 outcomes for the first die. So this is the first die. And then the second die. So this is the second die. Itong nasa taas. Okay? First die and then second die. Okay, so the total outcomes by listing. So we have 36 or just multiply 6 times 6. So 6 times 6, that is 36. So we want to find the probability of getting a sum of 11. So if we write all the sum of 11, we only have 5 and 6 and 6 and 5. So that is 5 and 6. So this one and then 6 and 5. So therefore, out of 36, the probability is 2 over 36. And then reduce this to lowest term, 2 over 36, divide both by 2. So we have 1 over 18. So the probability of getting a sum of 11 upon rolling two fair-sided dice is 1 over 18, letter B. Or another, we have a shortcut for this problem. If we have two six-sided dice, the probability of that, we can write the sum and then the probability. If you know this technique, so the smallest sum of two six-sided dice, the minimum sum is 2 and then the maximum sum is up to 6 plus 6. So we have 12. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you know the technique, so the probability for this, for the sum of 2 is 1 over 36. Sum of 12 also 1 over 36. The sum of 3 is 2 over 36. Sum of 11 is 2 over 36. Sum of 4 is 3 over 36. And then 10 also 3 over 36. Sum of 5 is 4 over 36. And then 9 is 4 over 36. Sum of 6 is 5 over 36. And also sum of 8, 5 over 36. And then the middle 7 is 6 over 36. So that is the pattern in probability of rolling two fair six-sided dice. So the probability, pataas siya simula sa 2 hanggang 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The denominators are all 36. And then when we start with maximum sum of 12, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the middle is the 7. We have 6 over 36. So the shortcut, so we have sum of 11. The answer is 2 over 36. Just reduce this to lowest term. The answer is 1 over 18, letter B. Okay, so tandaan po ang shortcut na ito. So bye-bye and God bless.